Here we have the hiker's hut where we all assembled to check in, and we are full of energy, raring to go. Gordy and Ciaran entering the Mashami Gate at day one. Alright, Gary. Yeah, boy. We started at Mashami Gate and spent 7 hours to get to 3,000 metres. We had rain through the rainforest for the whole hike today, so everyone is damp, wet and in good form. And in the background there you can see the summit of Mount Kilimanjaro. And we tackled that beast over the next few days. Deer camp, nearly 4,000 metres. Really felt like climbing up Devil's Ladder in Carntool all day. Well, hopefully this weather might clear. I think we went from 3,600 up to 4,700 metres up to Lava Tower, and spent an hour and a half up there to climatise for the big summit. And we've come down to Branco Camp now. And behind me through the valley you can see the cloud coming in, and it really looks like a scene from Game of Thrones.
Medium scan,
not doing too bad with the old altitude sickness. It's more a little bit of pressure behind the eyes. The views today have been absolutely outstanding. We climbed Branco Wall, which was pretty special, and we came up into Cranka Camp just short of 4,000 metres. How do you feel today, Gordy?
Good, very slow again today. Frustratingly slow coming up the Branca Wall, a lot of waiting about, and that's 5 minutes going still out of breath, so there's a reason why we're going slowly. It's hard work, it's really hard work.
He's getting frustrated having to walk slow every day.
Can't hide it anymore.
So we have him on a leash.
Hello guys, how are you? Now we are at Kosovo Camp.
Today was a long, slow hike. It's been a bit of a roller coaster, emotionally and physically. But we're here, and in about 7-8 hours time we'll be getting up, and at midnight we will start the trek to the beast above in the clouds. Last few steps to the summit of Kilimanjaro. It is cold. It's been absolutely fantastic. 7 months ago I decided to do this, and This morning at 7 AM, we got to the summit. It's the hardest thing I've ever done in my life. It was just one step in front of another, and we're all pretty shattered. Bodies fairly worn. It's been a roller coaster of emotions. You'd be walking along, you'd end up crying for no apparent reason. It happened a few times during the week. The porters and all the aides and everyone who have helped us on this trip are the real heroes for our group. Between moving everything, cooking for us, and the singing. I couldn't have done any of this without the support of Hilary and Aoife and Conor particularly. I've missed them loads, more than I think they'll ever realise. But very emotional trip. So, on that note, I'm out of here.